Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 1. Today we're going to talk about multiplying by 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the strategy where we can double threes and to find out a bigger answer. So if we look over here, you don't have to look at this in your book. I just pulled it up so you can get a quick idea. So if we look at like 7 times 6 is the double of 7 times 3. So if I know my multiplication facts, 7 times 3 is 21, and 2 21s is 42. So then 7 times 6 is going to be 42. So we're going to kind of dig into that a little bit. Let's get started. All right, here we have example 1. A band marches in 7 rows with 6 members in each row. How many band members are there all together? Okay, so we know 7 rows of 6 is the same as 7 times 6. You can also write it vertically, 7 times 6, and then your answer goes below the line. I've noticed some kids, like when they're doing their multiplication facts, then the line's like this or something, then they're writing it here, 42. Nope, 42 would go on the bottom, right below it. Kind of like if it was an addition problem. Anyways, so we can decompose 6 into equal addends of 3 and 3. So I can break it apart. Okay, watch this. So instead of 7 times 6, I'm going to break apart the 6 into 3, 7 times 3, and 7 times 3. And then I'm going to add those two 7 times 3s together. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3, look at here, I'm putting the arrow, that's 21. And 21 is 42. So 7 times 6 is 42. There are 42 band members. Okay, that's kind of a different way of showing if you just wanted to say, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 21 equals 42. I mean, that works. I mean, this is absolutely wonderful. If you're like, yeah, Ms. Hamer, I get how they're showing the work there. Do it that way. If you're saying, oh, that's a little confusing, do it this way. Let's do some more practice problems. Example 2 says, 4 frogs are sitting on a log, and they eat 6 flies each. How many flies are eaten altogether? Let's write a multiplication sentence with a symbol for the unknown, then solve. Okay, so our number of groups, we have 4 frogs. Each number in each group is 6, right? We have 6 flies that each frog ate, and then our total is the unknown. It says write a symbol. I guess our symbol we're going to write is box. Okay, so I can decompose 4 into 2 and 2. So therefore, I'm going to be doing 6 times 2 plus 6 times 2. Okay, so 6 times 2 and 6 times 2 would be 12 plus 12, or 24. 24. 12 plus 12 equals 24. So 4 times 6 is 24. The unknown is 24. Frogs ate 24 flies. Now, what if you looked at 6 and said, I want to split 6 into 2 groups? So I'm going to keep the 4. I'm going to do 4 times 3. Look at this picture here. Wonderful. 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3. Well, look at that. 4 times 3 is 12. So we're doing the same thing. 12 plus 12 is 24. Right? So we got the same, we broke it apart differently, but we got the same answer. So that's an option. Whatever you see first, that's what you can choose. Okay, it works very well. Well, it works for even numbers. So that's what I would stick with, is if it's an even number. So let's keep going. Complete the sentence below. To find 6 times 8, 8 times 6, you can decompose 6 into 3 plus 3. Or you could decompose 8 into 4 plus 4. Let's solve that both ways. So in this case, I'm starting with 8 times 6. I'm going to break 6 into 3 plus 3. So I need to do 8 times 3 plus 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. plus 24. If I double that, right? If I double my ones, 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I would get an answer of 48. What if I decomposed 8 into 4 plus 4? So I took 8 times 6. I broke 8 into 4 plus 4. So then I would be doing 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6. Right? I have 2 6s because I didn't break that up. And I need to multiply 6 by both 4s, not just one. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. Okay, we did 24 and 24 when we broke it apart that way. 24 and 24 when we broke it apart this way. We got 48 both times. So that means 8 times 6 is 48. Let's look here, double a known fact to find each product. Okay, so I'm going to break 6 into 3 plus 3. So I need to do 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, so I need to do 6 plus 6, and that is 12. So my answer is 12. Next, 9 and 6. I'm going to break 6 into 3 and 3. 3 plus 3. So I have to do 9 times 3 plus 9 times 3. Sorry, I'm at 433 page 433. So 9 times 3. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 27. Now, I'm not going to do that in my head. I'm going to write it out to make sure. 7 plus 7 is 14. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So our answer here is 54. 54. Wonderful. And that is all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching to the end. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions.